Hello students, today we will study our chapter number first for class 8 for subject social science. In the previous video we study question number G for chapter first. Now we will solve question number H. Let's get started. Our question number H is very short answer type questions. First one is name the main type of natural resource that exists on the earth. Our answer is biotic, abiotic. Second one is mention some reasons for the depletion of resource. Answer is over-utilization of resource, irrational consumption. Third question is what does the 3Rs stand for? Our answer is reduce, reuse, recycle. Our fourth question is when and where was the first International Earth Summit held? Answer is June 1992, Brazil. Fifth, what does the UNCED stand for? या फिर UNCED stand for? Answer is United National Conference on Environment and Development. Sixth question is give one example of each the resource which fall in the category of biotic, renewable, localized and actual resource. Our answer is biotic resource, wood, renewable resource, solar energy, localized resource, petroleum, actual resource, mineral deposits of Chota Nagpur Plateau. Question number I. Short answer type questions. First, what do you mean by sustainable development? Answer is sustainable economic development implies that development should take place without damaging the environment, and development in the present should not compromise with needs of the future generation. Second question is why is the practice of the 3Rs necessary? Answer is the practice of the 3Rs reduce, reuse, recycle must be followed at all levels in order to save and extend the availability of resources. Third, what are the human-made resources? Answer is human-made resources are created by human using their knowledge and expertise to produce things. Fourth, what is the potential resource? Answer is we do not have sufficient knowledge of them or we do not have the technology to exploit them at present. Question number J. Long answer type questions. First, write note on Rio de Janeiro, Brazil summit held in June 1992. Answer is more than 100 heads of state met in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil in June 1992 for the first International Earth Summit. The summit was convened for addressing urgent problems of environmental protection and socio-economic at the global level. The leaders signed the Declaration on the Global Climate Change and Biological Diversity. The Rio Convention endorses the Global Forest Principles and adopted Agenda 21 for achieving sustainable development in the 21st century. Second question, what do you understand by Agenda 21? Answer is, it is the declaration signed by world leaders in 1992 at the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, which was held at Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. It intends at achieving global sustainable development. It is an agenda to combat the environment damage, poverty, disease, thought, global cooperation on common interest, manual requirement, and shared responsibilities. One main objective of the Agenda 21 is that every local government should draw its own local Agenda 21. Third question is, explain all natural resources. Answer is, these are the resources that are derived from nature and are used for a variety of purposes. Sunshine, water, air, soil, plants, animals, and minerals have been example of natural resources. These resources are classified into following categories on the basis of their origin. First one is biotic resource. These are obtained from biosphere. They have life like flora and fauna, human beings, livestock, fishes, etc. They are derived from living things, wood, meat, leather, and medicine from plants and animals. Second one is abiotic resource. These resources includes all those things which are composed of non-living things. Its example are stone, mineral, sand, and clay. Third one is ubiquitous resources. These resources are found everywhere. Its example are air, water, land, and sunlight, etc. Fourth one is localized resource. These resources are found in specific places. Its example are petroleum, coal, and minerals, etc. So students, this is your exercise of chapter number 1 for subject social science. You have to complete it in your fair notebook.